Tingnan tayo sa sa English. 7 E316 Governor motor as step out. Tapos E227 engine speed sensor abnormality. Tapos E213 swing brake solenoid discon. Baba pa natin. Ina naman E241 boom angle potentiometer abnormality. E225 R pump pressure sensor abnormality. E227 F pump pressure sensor abnormality. Tapos pang 7 E308 fuel dial abnormality. Ang nawala na lang yung nakaisa lang tayo, yung E306. Okay, active lahat yan. E05 at saka E03 yung ayos.